Welcome back to Frontline Eurosports Online. Your host Nate Jennings has a BMW for us today, and this one is a beautiful RnineT. Not an RnineT Pure or not an RnineT Racer, but the regular straight up RnineT. And this one is in the Blue Planet Metallic, that special beautiful dark blue with a heavy metallic base color. So wait until you see this come out of the crate. Let's do it, Josh. RnineT, we bump back up to having the Kropovich mufflers on it. This is a breathtaking look, isn't it? Oh, beautiful. You'll see it in a second. We always gotta get the first sneak peek. So it's a premium model. It's gonna have our ABS that's switchable, traction control that's switchable, has the heated grips. So it's going to be that two-tone. What they did was combine two of our favorite things, the aluminum finish tank and that Planet Blue metallic paint scheme with some gold pinstriping run down the side of it. So when they go back to the regular RnineT, we got our 17-inch spoke wheels. We're looking at our inverted fork brake with adjustable suspension, having our Brembo brakes that are radially mounted on the motorcycle. We got our heated grips, switchable ABS and traction control. You get your twin flaps back, which have a beautiful bezel around it, giving it that pop from the headlight trim to the instrument cluster and back with the rest of the motorcycle. We maintain our shaft drive with the power lever system, and this is going to be in somebody's driveway real quick. This is the beautiful, beautiful RnineT, straight from Frontline Eurosports in Salem, Virginia. Thanks for watching us here at Frontline Eurosports Online. Come get some of this.